This season, we have begun mineral balancing on our farm. More or less involves getting a soil test done and having professional recommendations on what types of minerals to add and in what quantities and in what places. The goal of the mineral balancing is to make sure that not only all of the minerals are there in the soil, but that they exist in specific ratios to one another. So we made a pretty large purchase of a bunch of different amendments, and we mixed them all together and spread them on the ground and incorporate them into the soil. For example, this field was deficient in important micronutrients like sulfur, boron, zinc, copper, and molybdenum. This field was also deficient in phosphorus, which we're correcting with an organic rock phosphate product. And we're also adding an elemental sulfur, which will lower the pH to a range where the phosphorus becomes more available to the plants. Each area of the farm requires its own unique blend of the various amendments, so they all need to be weighed out on a scale and spread evenly over the area. This has been a pretty detailed and time-consuming process and was sort of expensive, but I think it's going to have a really positive effect on the plants. I think the theory is very simple. If the plants have access to all of the nutrients that they want, they're going to turn into healthier, more robust plants that will taste better and they'll have more nutrition when we eat them. And that's kind of what we're going for. Everything is about growing the highest quality, most delicious produce, and this is just one of the steps in that process.